Alright YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be going fishing on the boats. We're going to be using some live bait and some NLBNs. And I got a special guest with me here. This guy. He doesn't know how to fish. And like and subscribe. I can't see the net. It's like under this rock. Okay, I got it out. This is like, there's baby mullet down there. Baby mullet?
So weird. Where is it?
Down there, like next to the boat.
Oh, that's a nice guess. Okay.
I think we have to come here for bait.
Yep. Oh man, look at this. Oh, let's go. Guys, oh my gosh, these are so nice.
Look at the bigger bucket and take those weird fish out.
That's it, we're ready. We can do it on the boat. Wait, let's put the bigger one.
Donut's like all squished. It's a pancake. Is there a fish? Oh, come on, come on!
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's really nice.
I'm stuck, but I was on something. Oh man, what was that?
Just let it get out.
No, what? My rod went boom.
Oh, and they have no time, is it?
Oh, he's still fighting. He's still there. I feel him. He's like still there. He just like got me wrapped around something.
I moved the boat. Oh, it's there.
I know.
It's there. Oh my gosh, it's actually hitting.
I know it's there. Like I hooked it, Jick hit and ran.
It's over there. It's hitting. It's something big.
It's on the rocks, but it's.
Oh my gosh.
You see, it's on the rocks.
It's actually pulling now. Let's go get it.
Just have to get unhooked. See, I told y'all.
What?
Melly rock.
It's there.
Can I melly rock?
Told you.
What?
Told you, bro.
Are you serious?
Told you, can I really rock?
Wait for what?
Just pull the line up.
Dang it. Yeah, it's like got me under something. No way. Yeah, ripped it. It's insane. That... Dude, oh my gosh. Sergi, look at this. Do you not see they're all stuff blowing up over here? Slow down, Pat, slow down. They were here, but we probably scared the fish away. They're blowing up there. Oh, they're all on the thing. I'm stuck on the thing. There you go. Oh, I thought I'm on. They're there. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm on. Oh, I had one. Oh my. Oh man, I had another one. In 2 casts. Nah, they probably left already. Oh man, I just got dinged. Oh,
I'm on something big. Oh my gosh. It's wrapped me around the, it's wrapped around, chase it. Oh, it plopped off. Line snapped, it got me around the pillar. Nope. Is it though? Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're in here. Oh my gosh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Double up that. This one's heavy. Oh my gosh. Mine's right here. I don't know. Mine's right here. Oh, it's a jack. They're jack. Look, it's Jack. It's Jack. First fish in the boat. Let's go. Take a picture with it, bro. My phone's right there. See, look how much bait there is. Oh, something's on my line! Something's on! I have the drag set to loose.
Wait. What, did you see that?
I had it super loose that. Oh, this manta ray. Just huge manta ray jumped out. I got it on video.
Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and peace.